Hello everyone, uh, welcome to our new video. We are following the series review about the products. Let's explore full motion TV monitor wall mount bracket, articulating arms, swivel tiers, extension rotation for most 13-42 inch LCD. The current price is $24.96 after the discount of 15%. The original price was $29.33. Let's have a look on it. Here are some images on the sideline. Basically, this is a stand for the LCD screen so that the LCD remains secure. These are different images. My internet is slow. That's why I think it takes several seconds to load the image, and I'm sorry for that. These are something describing it. Mounting type is wall mount. It means that we hang on a wall. It's to support us. And then the movement type is swivel. Brand is Pipishell. Materials alloy steel. TV size is 42 inches. Color is black. Minimum inches 13 inches. Capa- uh, Compatible size, portable television. These are the description here. It provides some description giving there, no, providing us to know that do not mount on drive alone. Okay, this is the description I put in my description of video link. Thank you.